Bacteria, things existed 4 billion years ago, a word that often brings out a sense of fear in most of us. In fact, about 1,000 different types of bacteria live in our body. Most of them are good for the human body. They just like an uncountable number of various products with different functions that only exist in micro-world. Consider this: what if we could bring it from micro-world to macro-world, live with bacteria at the physical level by using their biological characteristics? Will there be a future that product could be cultivated and functioned by different bacteria? Gluconacetabacter xylanus, it is a bacterium that can produce a large amount of a natural polymer synthesized named bacterial cellulose with 3D ultrafine nanofiber network. Currently, it is mostly used in medical and beauty aspect. To cultivate this material, only needs air, sugar, tea, even rotten fruits instead of mining or breeding and killing animals. It also less relies on traditional industrial manufacturing process. IKIMONO, a bacteria-based air purifier which is non-electric. The design concept corresponds to a speculated future air has been polluted future based on current situation. The application of biotechnology and biomaterials has been popularized to take the responsibility on the death stage of product. The base is made of steel as the product life is longer. The filter is replaceable and biodegradable. The chemically modified bacterial cellulose has extremely high removal efficiencies for particulate pollutants with a broad range of sizes, while maintaining a very high air penetration rate of 92.63%. The height of filter refers to the exit area of PM10 to PM2 particles due. To optimize the filtration performance, spiral shape could optimize airflow efficiency. Layering structure could maximum air contact area in certain size while maintaining the spacing. Apart from practical function, refer to the consumer behavior, cultural phenomenon. It is also a kinetic wind sculpture. A small mechanism of connection allows the fitter wave when it is blown by the wind. Based on the design criteria and principle in production process of this biomaterial, it can eventually evolve different versions for different scenarios. Biotechnology. Create a better future.